Hi, I'm Chris and welcome back to Split Hour Farm. Today we're going to go over a egg pickling recipe because we have way too many eggs than we know what to do with and we need to use them somehow. So let's show you a recipe that you're going to have the majority of these ingredients in your house. So let's get started. Alright, for this recipe you're going to need 10 eggs, garlic, red onion, dill, bay leaf, pickling spice, salt, and sugar. Additionally, you're going to need apple cider vinegar and a cup of water. So let's get to cooking. To kick things off, we're going to be adding the following ingredients to a medium saucepan. So get your saucepan ready. Take a cup of water, a cup of apple cider vinegar, a quarter cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of pickling spice. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. Once boiled, reduce heat, add 1 bay leaf, and crushed garlic. So take the pot off the stove. While it's cooling, you can fill a clean 2-liter jar with your eggs. So you want a little bit of dill sprigs, onion. So now you're going to add your brine to your finished product, set in the fridge, you're good to go. So we're not fermenting them. These could be eaten the next day, but for better flavor, let it sit for up to a week. By pickling your eggs, you can make them last further into the winter months with a couple months shelf life in your fridge, making use of the eggs when your chickens have stopped laying. Hope you enjoyed this. That's it from Split Hour Farm.